CapStorm presents How to Restore Metadata using CopyStorm Restore. When you back up metadata using CopyStorm, the metadata is automatically versioned. This versioning provides visibility into metadata changes and allows you to surgically restore metadata to Salesforce. To back up your metadata, visit the Advanced tab in CopyStorm and select Include Metadata. To demonstrate a metadata restore, let's open CopyStorm Restore and navigate to the Metadata tab. Within the Object selector, we see all the metadata types from our backup that are available for restore. To narrow the list, select a specific type from the drop-down. Suppose an overzealous new employee has edited the default account list view and the VP of Sales does not like the changes. We can revert the changes in just a few clicks. Select the Account Custom Object. Change to the Layouts and Views tab. Check the All Accounts item under List Views. Once we have selected what metadata should be restored, there are two deployment options. We can deploy within the application by selecting Deploy. Use the plan as a final review before starting deployment, and the Log tab lists the progress of an active deployment and allows for deployment to be stopped at any time. The second option to restore metadata is to create a deployment directory. Clicking here automatically creates a directory structure that can be used by the Salesforce migration tool for a deployment. Additional details regarding metadata restore can be found on learn.capstorm.com. For questions or to start a free 30-day evaluation of CopyStorm Restore, contact sales@capstorm.com.